The T30 liquid system has a 30-liter or about 8-gallon tank. You can see the cap is very similar to the T40s. You have a screen right there, and then inside we can see that silver bar, which is actually a live level float. So there's a float in there that floats up that bar and tells you how much liquid you have in the system. On the bottom side, here is where the liquid comes out. Inside we have a filter just like on the T40. Then it comes up and into a flow meter. Again, this is actually the same flow meter as on the T40, dual electromagnetic flow meter. Then it runs through the flow meter, goes into our pumps here. These pumps are plunger style pumps. There's 3 plungers in there. So it is a pressurized pump system. So these pumps are actually a bit larger than on the T40, but they only output about 6 liters or about 2 gallons per minute max. So then it goes through each line here and actually splits off. So one pump actually controls the front half, one controls the back half of the drone. So it comes out to our booms here. Each boom has 2 nozzles. There are 8 booms technically, and so you have 16 total nozzles, and we run a T-jet style nozzle. These are interchangeable. That's how you change your droplet size. On the back side, you have a solenoid here. That's how it essentially turns on and off and purges the air out of these nozzles and out of the pumps.